Crommelin has been manufacturing quality products for the construction industry since 1958. Crommelin has grown from a grassroots business to a well-recognised provider of quality waterproofing and sealing systems to the building industries of Southeast Asia and Australia. In the early 1920s, a new product was introduced to the building industry, asbestos cement sheeting. This product, which was basically a mixture of Portland cement, asbestos fibre and water, was compressed and autoclaved to form the asbestos cement sheeting. Asbestos cement sheeting proved to be extremely popular, and as a result, large quantities of this material is now found not only in Australia, but also in many other parts of the world. Asbestos cement sheeting undergoes a weathering process after many years of exposure, and a loose surface layer develops, which on roofs becomes colorized with dark-colored lichen. The lichen, secreting oxalic acid, attack the cement, causing exposure of the asbestos fibre. The surface becomes unstable, the asbestos cement sheeting is weakened, and the darkened colour causes a substantial increase in roof cavity temperatures. The unstable nature of weathered asbestos cement surfaces is a cause of some concern in the community, as white and blue asbestos fibres were used in the composition of asbestos cement sheeting. In the 1980s, the use of asbestos was discontinued in the production of fibre-reinforced cement sheeting, but the ageing existing roofs continue to deteriorate. The traditional process for coating asbestos cement roofs was to firstly clean the roof with high-pressure water to remove all lichen and loose asbestos fibre. This procedure, however, was banned on health grounds, creating a need for a system which could be applied straight to the degraded asbestos without disturbing the surface. In the early 90s, Crommelin addressed this problem and developed the Fibroseal system to achieve the following: the binding and encapsulation of asbestos fibres, avoids costly downtime associated with replacement of asbestos, a significant reduction in roof cavity temperatures resulting in savings in building cooling costs, an extension of the service life of asbestos structures, a completely water-based and truly environmentally friendly system, provides a rejuvenated appearance in a range of decorative colours. The Fibroseal system consists of two products. Fibroseal Primer is a clear, one-pack, water-based, low-viscosity, highly penetrating solution that soaks through the lichen and degraded asbestos cement down to the sound base material binding these unstable elements. Fibroseal Top Coat is a high-solids elastomeric membrane providing a long-term protection to the encapsulated layers, whilst providing heat-reflective and aesthetic properties. The system has excellent resistance to dirt pickup and provides resistance to the regrowth of moulds and lichens. For your own health reasons, it is important to treat asbestos with respect. Do all you can not to disturb any fibres. All relevant state occupational health and safety regulations should be adhered to. Fibroseal Primer is designed to be applied to weathered asbestos cement sheeting with no surface preparation. However, it may be necessary in some instances to carry out some minimal preparation to remove loose debris, previous treatment, excessive mould and lichens, and bird droppings. Fibroseal Primer is water-based and designed for use on weathered asbestos cement sheeting which is friable. The surface to be treated must be dry or near dry. The Fibroseal Primer is to be applied as a flood coat by a low-pressure, non-atomized spray application to a maximum of 30 psi by brush or roller. After the Fibroseal Primer has dried, test that the surface has been rendered non-friable. Apply a length of masking tape, around 100 millimeters, to the asbestos surface and firm down onto the sheet. Remove the tape using a continuous pulling action. If a large number of fibres are still present, a second coat of the Fibroseal Primer should be applied. After the roof has been primed, apply Fibroseal Top Coat to cracked areas. While this is still wet, embed 100mm wide reinforcing fabric, or scrim, over the crack and overcoat with Fibroseal top coat, and wet out the reinforcing fabric thoroughly. Then allow to dry. The Fibroseal top coat may be applied by airless spray, small areas may be applied by brush or roller, to a wet film thickness of approximately 300 microns. Special attention should be made to achieve complete coverage of the raised surfaces of lichen. Crommelin does understand fully the future of asbestos in the marketplace. The breakdown of asbestos products in any of their forms presents enormous problems not only for owners of these buildings, but also for business proprietors, agents of owners, and for the various people who have to work under and near these buildings. The Fibroseal system offers a very viable solution to the expensive alternative of replacing. We are committed to ensuring our company representatives and industry agents are appropriately qualified and experienced to satisfy the first-hand needs of our customers and the reliable use of our products.